Hello viewer, we are going to create the design. So first of all, I will have that gradient to generate the angles there. I will change the pattern for it. So we will have to make a 3D design. So I will make the soda cane design in 3D shape. We will wait for a few seconds here. So there is the soda cane design we have get there with it. So I will pick up the image there. Now we will create the clipping mask to create design on soda cane. So it's a cane design we have generated there. Can also generate in this way. So that